Hey everybody, it's Dylan with Newborn Brothers here. So today we're going to be caulking an exterior window. We're restoring this window here, so we had peeled out all the existing sealant, and we cleaned everything with isopropyl alcohol so we can get a nice bond with our sealant. Now we're going to be sealing it up. Today I'm using the 720 dual thrust newborn caulking gun, and so I've been doing this for 10 years now, and this gun blows any gun I've used previously out of the water. Like, it's just very consistent. It's got dual settings, so for a thicker material you're able to trigger it easier, so it it's not as strenuous on your hands as you're going around. And because it has that dual thrust, you know, you're able to do those weird spots with just one hand instead of trying to get in there all tight with two hands and get a nice angle on it. You can just run along with one hand because it's so easy to just pull the trigger. So I'm going to be using about this size of a tip. And today we'll be tooling with the quick stick, newborn tooling sticks. So what's nice about this is that you can quick change these heads. I like to take the tool and match it to the tip size. That way you can get a nice smooth bead after when you tool it through. So here we're going to be using 4S size. So if you go on the link, you can take a look at it and see what sizes it comes with. So let's do this here and I'll show you how to caulk a exterior window. So you always start at the top, work your way down, get the bead flowing nicely. Run a nice consistent bead down. You just hit the trigger, slow back up, and then to change the sausage tube, just unscrew it, take your old tube out, discard it, release the pressure, pull your trigger back, put in your new tube, bring it up to the end, and then you snap the crimp off there. And that's it. Screw your head back on, bring it to the end. Do it across the top. So like I said, what's nice about this guy, it's so easy to trigger. You can just go one. Tooling stick. You want to do it as smooth as possible to join up your beads. And you just wipe it off, and that's what you're left with after. Nice smooth bead all across. So thank you for watching our video today on how to caulk an exterior window. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below, or if you wanted to check out some of the products that we used today, you can follow the link below, take you to our webpage, and you can take a look at the products.